This week has started with a bullish candle, where we can see at 1.06736 support level. The price has managed to reach higher levels, which we can see on a Monday, a bullish candle that has returned the price up between these two levels, 1.07825 and 1.06736. And then on a Tuesday, the price has managed to reach 1.07825 resistance level. This is a supply zone, and then there the price has formed a bearish pin bar. We can see that this bearish pin bar has been formed in between these two price levels, but this seems as a not so good pin bar, as a bearish signal that the price will continue to move down. If the bearish pin bar has formed here, right on the supply zone where the 1.07825 resistance is, it will be much better signal. We can see also that this Tuesday pin bar could not reach higher level regarding the candle body, because we have seen this price open here and the price closed here, which is right below these two candles price levels. So this was also a signal that the price will have a hard time reaching higher levels. Because this bearish pin bar has formed here on the chart, the price has continued to move down on a Wednesday and on Thursday and Friday. We can see that on a Thursday the price is reversed back down, reached again a support level where the demand zone is around 1.06736, and then on a Tuesday the price has formed again a bearish candlestick where the price has closed below previous candles lows bodies, and then the price has continued to move down on the Friday. We can see that the Friday candle has formed a bullish pin bar right here on the demand zone, right here on the support level where this uptrend trend line is, which is also a good signal. This is a bullish pin bar, which is suggesting that the price will move up, and it is right on the precise position where the pin bar should be located. So this is a signal that the price will continue to move up. Let's put here a label, so we have it here visible. It will be a pin bar. This one is a bearish one. Okay, and let's put this one here for the bullish pin bar. Okay. We can see that the price has bounced between these two price levels, and the price has stayed inside this range area between these two support and resistance level, because we have here a confluence of support where we have a uptrend line support, and we have here horizontal support line, which is suggesting that the price will have a hard time to reach lower level. In the previous weekly analysis I have mentioned that this price level 1.064 is something to watch out as a first support, as a small support for the price when the price will continue to move down. And we can see that the price has reached this price level, because we can see in the past this price level here where these two candles are had problems reaching lower level. The next one was here 1.0601, which is close to this one 1.061 level that was reached in this week. Let's see on the weekly time frame what we can see. We can see that this week the price has bounced between these two price levels, and on the weekly time frame the price could not reach 1.05825, which was mentioned in the previous week, but this price level here 1.064 has been reached as mentioned in the previous week analysis. Now we have here indecision between these two price levels, so we can say that this week has ended as an indecision week for the price. If we take a look on a monthly time frame, we can see what's happening. After the price has reached a higher level, then returned back down 1.061, which was reached this week, it is almost close to this one support trend line, which was mentioned in the previous analysis. The price did not reach 1.055054 price level, but the price is currently here at 1.069 price level. If the price manages to return back up above 1.07825, this will be a good sign for the price. It will continue to move up. So let's see what we can expect in the following week. On the monthly time frame, As I have said, if the price continues to move up, it will be a good sign for the price, but if the price goes down around 1.055 level, it will reach this support level, and from there we could see a bounce to the upside. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that in the following week there is a support for the price below that, where the price could reach this price level. But for the price currently, because the price has tried to reach higher levels and then bouncing back down, and we have also here an indecision candle right here in the middle, it will be a good week to wait until we see the price somewhere heading in any of the directions, because the current 1.07825, which is a supply zone for the price and it is a resistance for the price, and below it is 1.05825 on a weekly time frame as a support and a demand zone, which also is a confluence of support, will be good to wait until the price breaks above or down between these two price levels. This will indicate where the price will move in the future weeks. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see much better picture, because currently we have here a bullish pin bar, which is right here on the support, which is a confluence of support, and the price is indicating us that the price will continue to move up. But because we can see that this week and also the previous week had problems reaching higher levels because this of a supply zone which is pushing the price down, and the price could not close above 1.0737 price level, this will be the first level for the price on the daily time frame to close above, to indicate that the bulls have managed to push the price higher, and there is a signal that they will be stronger than the sellers that are pushing price from this price level. So for the next week we could expect and wait until the price makes a move. If the price continues to move down and closes below 1.064 price level, which will indicate that the price has lost its support and the demand zone where the buyers are waiting, it will mean that the sellers are much stronger, and we can expect that the price will continue to move down to here to 1.05825 support level. If the price manages to go above on a daily time frame and close the day above 1.073 price level, it will mean that the bulls have found strength, and there will be fight between 1.07825 where the sellers are waiting and also where the supply zone is. So it is good to wait until the price manages to go outside from this range area between these two price levels, which will show us the future direction of the price. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.